A very warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. As a stalemate over government formation in Maharashtra continues, the Shiv Sena makes another sensational claim accusing its ally, Bharatiya Janata Party, of poaching MLAs. In its editorial mouthpiece, Samna, Sena said the people of Maharashtra want the Chief Minister to be from the Uddhav Thackeray-led party and also accused its ally of using money power to break the deadlock over government formation. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has cancelled all his appointments and is flying to Nagpur, signalling a spurt of activity in the standoff between the BJP and its ally Shiv Sena with just a day to the deadline for government formation in Maharashtra. Sources say Nitin Gadkari will meet the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday cautioned his Council of Ministers from making unnecessary statements on the Ayodhya issue ahead of the Supreme Court's verdict in the title suit. The Apex Court is likely to deliver its verdict on the issue before Chief Justice of India CJI Ranjan Gogoi retires on November 17th. At a meeting with his Council of Ministers, Modi asserted the need to maintain an atmosphere of amity and harmony in the country on the outcome of the verdict. He also emphasized that the verdict should not be seen through the prism of victory and defeat. Security has been tightened in Ayodhya ahead of the likely verdict of the Supreme Court in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case this month. Pilgrims are presently flooding Ayodhya for the 14 Kosi Parikrama, and elaborate policing is also in place to facilitate the smooth conduct of the pilgrimage. Pakistan High Commission has granted a visa to Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu for visiting Pakistan for Kartarpur corridor inauguration on November 9th. However, the Punjab legislators are still waiting clearance from the Indian government. With the visa, Sidhu can cross over at Wagah but as an elected representative of an Indian state legislature. He needs political clearance for attending any ceremony held by the Pakistani government. Hanipreet Singh of Dera Sacha Sauda has been granted bail in the Panchkula riot case. Hanipreet Singh reached Dera after she was released from the jail. A convoy of vehicles followed Hanipreet Singh as she reached there, and the followers welcomed Hanipreet. They burst firecrackers upon her arrival at the Dera. Violence had broken out in Haryana town after Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim was convicted in a rape case in August 2017. US President Donald Trump lashes out at his Democrat opponents in a defiant speech at a rally in Louisiana. He was speaking after it was confirmed that the public impeachment hearings will begin in Congress next Wednesday. He accused the Democrats of trying to overthrow American democracy via a deranged, delusional, destructive and hyper-partisan process. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.